Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the switch completely off and removing game card and micro SD. Once done, take the 4 back screws out with a tri-wing and lift the rear shell carefully. You want to separate clips with a plastic spudger. Make sure to pry where seams are. Next, remove the metal RF shield screws and lift the shield. This exposes the Joy-Con board. You'll already have your replacement joystick and precision tools ready because speed prevents damage and keeps screws organized. Once the board is accessible, disconnect the battery plug to avoid accidental shorts, and then remove the mounting screws holding the PCB. Gently lift the board just enough to reach the joystick flex ribbon. Do not force components. If the joystick is soldered, heat each pad and remove solder. If it's a snap-in module, depress the retaining clip and lift straight up. Clean flux or debris with isopropyl alcohol so the new part seats cleanly and reliably. You now place the replacement joystick in position, aligning pins and ensuring the ribbon sits flat. Once aligned, solder each pad or click the module into its clip. After that, reattach the PCB mounts, replace the RF shield and rear shell, and tighten screws evenly. Power on and calibrate the stick in system settings. Make sure to test all axes and click functions. If you see drift or unresponsiveness, reseat the flex cable and reflow any suspect solder joints. That single check fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.